If you manage more than one calendar, Google Calendar has a simple way to keep everything organized without switching back and forth all day. In this video, I'll show you how to view multiple calendars side by side in Google Calendar so you can compare schedules, track events, and plan your week much more easily. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Google Calendar tips. Now let's jump in. First, open Google Calendar on your computer. You can do this in any web browser, and once it loads, you'll see your main calendar view. On the left side of the screen, look for the section labeled My Calendars or Other Calendars. This is where Google Calendar keeps all the calendars connected to your account and any shared calendars you have access to as well. To view multiple calendars at the same time, simply click the checkbox next to each calendar you want to display. As soon as you select them, Google Calendar will begin showing those calendars together in the main grid. Now, for the best side-by-side view, switch your calendar layout to day, week, or 4 days view. You can find these options at the top of the page. Day view is great if you want to focus on one date. Week view is helpful for comparing a full schedule across several days, and 4 days view gives you a clean middle ground with enough space to see multiple calendars clearly. Once you choose your view, the selected calendars will appear side by side in the calendar grid. This makes it much easier to see overlapping events, shared meetings, work schedules, personal appointments, and anything else you need to coordinate. If one calendar is getting in the way or you want to focus on fewer events, just click its checkbox again to hide it. That way, you can turn calendars on and off anytime without changing your setup. This is especially useful if you're managing a team, balancing work and personal calendars, or trying to avoid double booking. And that's all it takes to view multiple calendars side by side in Google Calendar. It's fast, simple, and one of the best ways to stay organized. If this video helped you out, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more easy Google Calendar tutorials. Thanks for watching.